Have you ever wondered about the surprising science behind sound? Two sounds exist in completely different acoustic universes, purring and chainsaw roar. Frequency tells a fascinating story about how sounds impact our nervous system. Cat purrs vibrate between 20 and 140 Hz, nature's healing frequency. Chainsaws generate harsh frequencies between 200 and 400 Hz. Our brains react dramatically different to these contrasting acoustic signatures. Healing frequencies versus stress-inducing sounds, a remarkable acoustic phenomenon. Sound is not just noise, it's a complex language our bodies understand.